Hi. Welcome to Alice's Home. We are proud to provide top-notch short-term property management services to our clients. We are dedicated to making sure that every home we manage is treated with care and respect just like it is our own. But it's not just our clients who are taking notice of our work. In 2022, we were recognized by the Australian Financial Review as a fast starter, beating out many other companies. The award means that our company is growing quickly, providing us with even more opportunities to help people find their perfect short-term rental. We're honored to receive this award, and it's a testament to the hard work and dedication of our team. At Alice's Home, we're always striving for excellence, and this award shows that our efforts are paying off. We're proud of the work that we do, and we're grateful for the opportunity to make a difference in the lives of our clients. We are excited to continue providing top-quality services, and we will make sure that every guest who stays in one of our properties feels at home. We believe that everyone deserves a comfortable and stress-free stay, and we're dedicated to making that a reality for each and every one of our clients. Don't wait any longer. Contact us today and let us take care of your investment property.